Om Guruve Namaha. Today I want to discuss with you some facts regarding the planet Mars. When does Mars becomes malefic or benefic, favorable or unfavorable? Mars is unfavorable and malefic if in a chart two malefic planets are placed together. That is Saturn and Rahu or Saturn and Ketu. If Venus is present in the first half of the chart, that is 1 to 6 houses, and Sun is present in the second half, that is 7 to 12 houses, Mars becomes malefic. If Sun and Saturn are together in a chart, Mars becomes malefic. Mars is favorable in a chart if Sun and Mercury are placed together. If Mars is in 1st, 4th, 7th, 8th or 12th house, it makes Manglik Dosh. If it is placed with two other malefics, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu or Sun in certain cases, make it more problematic, especially in the 4th, 7th and 8th house. For Aries ascendants, Mars in 1st house is very favorable for marriage. The degree of Mars are also very important. That is whether it is in the starting degrees or ending degrees. If Jupiter, Sun or Moon are present in 1st, 4th, 7th or 8th house, it destroys the Manglik Dosh. Mars in 8th house is problematic for longevity of the younger brother till 28 years of age. And Mars in 12th house is problematic for longevity of the elder brother till 28 years of age. In these placements, if not affecting the longevity, they will affect the progeny or wife of the elder or younger brother. If Mars is in 1st of 8th house and Ketu is malefic, it gives unfavorable results to first blood relatives. If Mars in 12th house and Saturn is malefic, then Mars will be problematic till the death of the wives of first blood relatives. Mars in 7th house is unfavorable for mother, maternal grandmother, mother-in-law, wife and husband of the native. Then sometimes the negative results of Mars are visible despite of Mars being placed in benefic houses due to following reasons. If the land of the house is 8 to 18 angled or 3 to 13 angled, or there is a basement attached to a well in the native's house. A south-facing entry or a kitchen on the right side and washroom on the left side also brings problems. Shadow of a tree on the house or palash tree, babul tree or jujubi tree in the courtyard or a cut peepal tree in front, adjoining or abutting the back wall of the house also brings the same problem. A bakery, sweet shop, tandoor or industry using boilers or tandoors or a funeral ground to the left or right side of the house also brings problems. Or the house is if built or constructed by purchasing land from an issueless person or after filling a well over over a well by putting lintel over the well, or if a house is constructed by putting lintel over the path, or a house in which air enters straight and the doors and windows are in the southern direction. The remedies for unfavorable Mars or Manglik Yoga are: if the native is suffering from long-running diseases, he should sleep on deer skin. If the native has problems related to wife or progeny, he should feed sweet chapatis baked in tandoor to the dogs. He should wash barley in milk and float it in running water. He should wash barley in Gaumutra, cow's urine, and tie them in a red cloth and keep them by the pillow side of the patient. He should float jaggery balls, that is revedis, in running water or apply kesar tilak on the navel. He should float jaggery or sugar in running water. He should not make tandoor or furnace in the land which falls in the premises of his house. He should keep away from black, one-eyed and issueless people. He should not live in a house having south-facing main door. He should check that there should be no palash tree in the house or by the side of the boundary wall of his house. So these are some of the remedies which I wish to share with you. Always stay blessed. Thank you.